What happens when a deaf patient is admitted to the Guam Memorial Hospital emergency room? GMH Guest Relations Coordinator Maria Perez.
In ER, there is a sign as soon as you enter the emergency department when you're ready to sign in at the podium. There is a sign that says, if you need a foreign language interpreter or an ASL interpreter, please notify our patient service representative.
Nursing Director Rodera Cruz said medical staff are trained to provide patients with the services they need, not just at the ER, but throughout GMH. Spokesperson June Perez.
And in addition to their training, we also have contracted an interpreter for American Sign Language that is provided to the staff and to the patients upon request.
But clinical administrator Xenia Pacina said service is at the discretion of the patients.
I know that we had a couple of incidences where we did offer the service and the patients refused, and that might come down to culture as well. So we have to respect that right.
One of the challenges we have also is that not every patient that comes through the door that's deaf can understand ASL.
In this case, doctors could communicate using handwritten notes, letters, or through family. Yet another challenge is that interpreter services are not available 24/7.
We have a shortage of interpreters on island. And so when we put out a public request for an interpreter service, we only had one respondent. And we quickly hired her, and she's on board.
DISID Director Ben Servino said auxiliary services are required by law. However, he is aware of the challenges faced by health providers. He said new technologies may be able to help.
GMH has tested a remote sign language interpreting services called Cyricom. We've tested that, and it's by using tablets, and this method worked out very well during the test, and we're working out an agreement for that service.
Servino met with the Guam Regional Medical City this morning and noted GRMC is already utilizing a similar program. He said DISID hopes to hire a full-time interpreter in the future to be made available to the community. Meanwhile, patients with concerns over the care of deaf patients at GMH are encouraged to call June Perez at 647-2418. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Isa Baza.